Hi everybody, Cheri Sicard, aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today to let you know about one of my personal favorite travel accessories, and that is the Smoke Buddy. I don't know if you can see that. I have a regular size Smoke Buddy here and a smaller mini Smoke Buddy. They do the same things. What are these? And why do travelers need them? Well, what they are personal air filtration devices. Not really a device, it's not high tech. They're carbon filters in here. So before I show you exactly how these work, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And if you get value out of my videos, I would so appreciate it if you hit that like button, because that really helps expose us to more people in the YouTube algorithms. Sorry about that. Thanks for hitting that like button too. Okay, so the Smoke Buddy is kind of an upgraded version of an old stoner trick called a spoof. And what a spoof was, and a lot of people still use them, is you get like a paper roll, like from paper towels or toilet paper, and you put a dryer sheet over one side and breathe into that, and it helps to dissipate the smell of cannabis. If you're in a hotel room or an Airbnb or a campground or anywhere you don't want your neighbors to know what you're doing. The problem with those, though, is it just kind of masks the odor. It doesn't really, the odor's still there. So what the Smoke Buddies do, and their inexpensive little devices, is they have a carbon filter inside, and that actually neutralizes the smell of the smoke. So you blow it in one end and it comes out without any odor. So the only time you're really going to smell the cannabis is that short amount of time when you're lighting it. Let me show you how it works here. Now, as you can see, that was a pretty big hit, but you didn't even see any smoke come out of there. So it neutralized the odor of that. This does exactly the same thing, just in a smaller kind of pocket or purse size package, the mini one. Do they last forever? No, but they last a long, long time. I've had these, I've been putting them through a lot of work this year because I've been traveling a lot. About 300 times for the larger one is what the Smoke Buddy website says, about 200 for the smaller one. I think they probably even last longer than that. If they're getting hard to breathe through, then you know it's time to replace it, but they do last a good long time. I'm not saying it's 100% guarantee you're never going to get busted smoking weed in your hotel room, but knock on wood, I've never had a problem with neighbors close by in hotels, campgrounds, any place that I've traveled. So I use these religiously if I want to make sure that I'm keeping things very discreet. I highly recommend them. They don't cost a lot. It's great insurance when you travel and will increase your chances of not getting hit with a fine for smoking in your hotel room or somewhere else where you're not supposed to. They also work for cigarettes, but cigarettes being a little bit different than, say, a marijuana pipe, it keeps burning, so if you're going to leave like a joint burning or a cigarette burning, of course you're going to smell that in the air. But if you can use a one-hitter or a pipe where you're exhaling your hit into the Smoke Buddy, then that is going to work great for neutralizing those odors, and nobody will be the wiser, I hope. See you all next time. Happy travels, everyone.